Good morning everyone. This is Mehran.
I am Darsha.
My name is Hed Patel.
I am Rich.
And today we have made a project on Ayurveda.
So we have divided our Ayurveda project into 4 sections.
And the first section includes a Ayurvedic treatment, also known as Shirodhara, in which a person sleeps on this bed and the drops of the Ayurvedic medicines drop on his or her forehead, and which is also effective for their daily life.
So these sections represent the factors affecting Ayurvedic medicines. So Vata represents wind, Pitta represents the fire, and Kapha represents the plants.
Moving toward the left, here are the two main factors affecting the Ayurveda. First one is the yoga. By doing yoga, you can enhance your lifestyle. Also, by having a healthy diet, you can also enhance your lifestyle. And here are some examples of the fruits and the vegetables and the spices.
So these are the further examples of Ayurvedic plants. Here also there is Vagbhat, who is a renowned scientist who have achieved his theories in Ayurvedic plants.
And here you can see Shishrup. He is also known as the father of the Ayurveda.
Here we have all the Ayurvedic medicine. First we have Sudarshan Ganmati, which is Ayurvedic medicine which is used to manage fevers and provide Ayurvedic medicine. Then we have Vasham Setu, which is an ancient Ayurvedic medicine which is used in AIDS, high blood pressure and etc. Then we have Amlaman, which is useful for providing various health conditions such as respiratory problems and digestion, etc.
Gadonim is also very useful Ayurvedic medicine which refers to the combination of several herbal gilois and neem tree. It is very useful as it performs many benefits like it helps to manage diabetes, it helps in improve respiratory system. Also one more useful medicine, Ayurvedic medicine is Dasham model which comes from the roots of 10 different Ayurvedic plants. It also performs some useful benefits like it helps in pain relief, it reduces fever and etc.
Here you can see a few top Ayurvedic clinics in Himatnagar cities. Here are the names of the doctors and here are their address and the contacts. And this side you can also see a chart which is telling more details about this model. Thank you.
Thank you.